Did you know the man who killed Jesus actually spoke God's words without knowing it? Caiaphas was the high priest who wanted Jesus dead. He wasn't evil. He thought he was saving his people. Jesus had crowds following him everywhere. Caiaphas worried the Romans would see this and attack all the Jewish people, so he called a meeting with the other religious leaders. He told them it was better for one man to die than for their whole nation to be destroyed. He was talking about Jesus. To Caiaphas, this was just smart thinking. Get rid of the troublemaker before bigger problems came. But here's the amazing part. Caiaphas had no idea he was speaking a prophecy straight from God. Jesus really would die for the people, not just to save them from Romans, but to save them from their sins. And not just Jewish people, but people all over the world. The man who condemned Jesus as a fake actually announced God's plan to save everyone. He thought he was being practical, but God was using his words to reveal the greatest truth ever told.